Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to soft reset your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So it's called the soft reset. What it is pretty much like a force restart. Alright, this is good if your phone is frozen, it's stuck, you're trying to move around, navigate around the phone and it's not letting you, it's just stuck in one screen. Or the phone's just acting up, it's doing stuff that it shouldn't. So you want to power it off and power it back on. Nothing's going to be erased on your phone by doing this. It's just going to simply like reboot the phone. So it's like a force reboot. All right. So for example, let's say your phone is stuck here. So what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold volume down and the power button. Like I am now. Just keep holding them. It's going to take a screenshot. It's going to give you this message. Keep holding them, the phone will turn off. Once it does, you can let go, give it a few seconds, and it will turn back on by itself. So that's the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 Force Restart. It's a soft reset. And, I hope that fixes your problem. So it's very simple. Let's just wait here till it completely boots up. Alright, as you can see, there you go. The phone has booted up normally, so the reset is complete. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video, how to soft reset your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Hope that video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and please give it a like, and I'll see you guys around in the next video. Peace.